Honorable members, I urge all the honorable members to be extra cautious about the surging COVID cases in the world. It is our ardent duty to set example before our countrymen. India had overcome the challenges of COVID in the past due to coordinated efforts of administration, doctors, healthcare professionals, and sanitation workers. We had administered over 2 billion doses of free COVID vaccine in record time. This is unparalleled in the world. Not only that, we have digitally recorded and issued certificates to all those vaccinated. Again, another unparalleled example in the world for its scale, size, and speed. Honorable members, currently situation of COVID is getting alarming. We need to be vigilant and take all precautionary steps, including wearing masks, use of sanitizers, and social distancing. I urge all of you, wear masks inside the house as well. We have made masks available to all of you. Once again, I request you that we need to join hands and lead the nation by example.